This is how you remove the trim, your window trim around the frame on your BMW. So first you want to pull this out, just like that. Again, you're going to want to use a tool like this, and then if you look, let's see, it's kind of hard to see it, but let's see if I could find it. So you look, you can see that there's that. If you put this right like that, and then it snaps off, just like 1, 2, and you go all the way around. So once it's off, it actually took maybe 10 seconds to remove it all, but once it's off, you can kind of see what the plugs look like. So they're just little plastic plugs on that side. This side here, you kind of just get in behind the trim and just lift it out, pull it off, pop it out, and it comes out really easy. So the trim, just the pieces look like that. Around the quarter windows, they look like that. So they just pop out. And this trim has already been vinyl wrapped. I'm not too worried about the paint on the vehicle. The car's actually just getting repainted this week, which is why I'm removing all the trim.